Hello everyone, my name is Saurabh. Welcome to my channel CVA Fitness. That's conceive, believe and achieve. So guys, I was about to begin my workout and about to consume a pre-workout. So before I thought let me make a quick review video for this. So this pre-workout product is called Labrador Supercharge. So it's a pre-workout drink. So I will be giving you my review on this product, whether the product, how it tastes, what is the price, whether we should buy it again or not. So before we move on to the product, why do we need a pre-workout? So basically pre-workout is something which we take just to get that kick before the workout. Like suppose you are feeling very tired after the office, or you're not having that energy, you can have a pre-workout. So pre-workout has a lot of ingredients like caffeine, creatine, taurine, beta-alanine. So all these are the key ingredients which you guys should look when you're buying a pre-workout ingredients. So let's talk about the Labrador Supercharge. So one of the good thing which I found about this is, if you notice, all the ingredient is mentioned exactly how much it is there. So what I would like to highlight from this point is 90% of pre-workout what you find in the market, they have a proprietary blend. So they will mix like 10 to 15 ingredients and just mention that 20 grams of proprietary blend. So you don't know exactly how much each of the ingredient is there. So one good thing about this product which I find is each of the ingredient is separately mentioned. So for example, I will just read out for your information, like as it says that it has taurine 1 gram, arginine 871 mg, tyrosine 250 mg, then we have BCCAs 1 gram, we have creatine monohydrate 1 gram, and caffeine is 225 mg. So as you can see, you know what you are consuming. So this is one of the good point which I found in this product. So you know how much quantity is going inside your body. So that about the key ingredient about this. Now coming on to the taste. So the flavor which I am having is the lemon and lime. They have a lot of flavors. So I would say the flavor is good. It's not something very great. It's a good lime flavor which you guys can have. I will just show you the powder and its mixability. So I am just taking a scoop from here and mixing it up. So as you can see, I am having this water, putting it there. So it's something like lemony flavor, white color it will form. So taste, it's a nice lemony taste which I think you guys can have it. It's not something very wow, but it's fine. So that on the taste part. Now let's come on to the price thing. So for the price of this box, it is written 4,400 rupees, but I got it for 4,000 rupees. So basically you can look out for a discount, and especially for a genuine supplier. So whenever you are buying a product, please ensure that you are getting it from a correct distributor. Check for the holograms. Don't just buy from some local vendor, because there are a lot of fake in the market. So please be aware of the fake supplements. So the price is 4,400, and each one scoop is 16 gram of serving, and it has 50 servings in this box. So I would say the quantity is also decent. The price is, I won't say it's economical, it's little on the higher side, but looking at the ingredient, I think it's justified, and it's a good ingredient mix, and you know exactly how much ingredient you are taking. So I will give my rating as, let's say, 8 out of 10, and I do recommend this product that you guys should also try. I would say that it's one of the good pre-workout product for you guys. So hope you find my review very useful, and please do drop your comments and let me know what you feel about my videos, and please subscribe to my channel so that you are always posted on my future videos. I will be giving a lot of reviews about the food supplement as well as the fitness equipment which I use, and you may find that very useful. Thank you.